Hi, this is April from Staffing by Design Solutions here, and today I'm going to teach everyone how to clear your cache. Now this is something that you should do every single day, either before or after your shift. As an independent contractor working for Staffing by Design Solutions, you will answer as many as 200 calls each day. So in order to keep your computer fast and running smoothly, clearing your cache is a good habit to create. So as you can see, I have Google Chrome open. This is something that you should be using, so definitely make Google Chrome as your primary browser while you're working for Staffing by Design Solutions. So to begin, we're going to go up here in the right corner, and you see the three dots here. We're going to click on that, then we're going to go down to our settings. From the settings option, we're going to go down to the advanced and click on that. And then it's going to bring up more options, and you're going to go here to clear browsing data and then click on that. These first four options you should definitely clear, which is your browsing history, download history, cookies and other site data, and cache images and files. Now, it's totally up to you if you want to clear out your passwords. If you're a person that remembers your passwords easy, then yeah, you can go ahead and clear those out. If not, you don't necessarily have to clear out your passwords. And the same with any of these other features. But definitely the first four. So when you have those checked, up here you can determine which range you're wanting to do. If you do this every day, you would just do the last 24 hours. But you can go as little as the last hour or as much as the beginning of having the computer. So for today we'll just do 24 hours, and then we'll just click on clear data. Once you do that and it clears the data, then what will happen is you just need to go back up to the top of your browser and just close it out, and then everything will be done. So this is a habit that you should definitely create. That way you keep your system running smoothly. Thank you, and I look forward to helping you through your career with Staffing by Design Solutions. Have a great day.